Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove background color of PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to Edit menu. Click the Preference and Accessibility. Uncheck mark the Replace Document Color. And now go to Tools menu, Edit PDF and go to toolbar, click the more background and remove. There have no any background color. If you want to add background color, just click add and select the color and remove. Go to more background, remove. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.